Breaking news: a massive wildfire, which started in Chicago, has been spreading everywhere. Citizens are advised to evacuate immediately. And on our latest story, of body has just been found, which was identified as Jeff.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. At 12:49 a.m., a massive wildfire had just spread out across Chicago. Citizens are advised to evacuate the area immediately. The fire is spreading miles and miles. If you are outside, get indoors immediately.
Sabi niya, sunod may anak. Kaya, flying na siya, medyo